Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how China will dominate the future. We'll explore the key strategies and advancements driving this global shift. First, we'll look at their significant investments in cutting-edge technology, from artificial intelligence to quantum computing. Then, we'll examine the expansive reach of their Belt and Road Initiative, connecting economies worldwide. Finally, we'll consider the impact of their vast, skilled workforce and strategic national planning. China is rapidly becoming a global leader in technological innovation. They are at the forefront of 5G deployment, connecting millions with high-speed networks. Massive investments are pouring into artificial intelligence and robotics, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Furthermore, the nation is strategically working towards self-sufficiency in crucial areas like semiconductor manufacturing, aiming to control key supply chains. This focus on advanced tech is a cornerstone of their future influence. Economically, China's influence is undeniable. The Belt and Road Initiative, connecting over 140 countries, is reshaping global trade routes and infrastructure. As the world's largest trading nation, its economic decisions have far-reaching impacts. Moreover, their advancements in digital currency could fundamentally alter the landscape of global finance. This expanding economic footprint, coupled with a massive domestic market, positions them for significant future dominance. China's strategic long-term planning is a crucial factor in its rise. The government implements comprehensive national plans that guide industrial and scientific development for decades. This includes massive investments in education, producing millions of highly skilled STEM graduates annually. Furthermore, ongoing urbanization creates new economic centers and opportunities, fostering a dynamic and competitive business environment. This combination of foresight and human capital development is a powerful engine for future growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.